friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, your friend I'm Nisha present with new video with new energy and new topic. So let's dive into this video, and today I'm gonna share with you a very effective method. By using that you can improve your English, you can learn spoken English, and you can practice English alone at your home, as well as you can work on your grammar. You can clear your concept, whatever doubt confusion you have related to tenses, related to all other grammars. Okay. And you will learn how you can make the sentences, how you can frame the sentences quickly, because most of the learner, they have this issue, this problem while speaking. They don't frame sentences, they don't make sentences in quick way. So you will also improve if you use this effective method. Your translation formation will improve, and you will able to make sentences, transform sentences quick way if you do this practice each and every day. So my dear friend, what is it? It is rapid fire. Yes, you heard it right, rapid fire, my dear friend. I'm talking about rapid fire. I hope you must know about rapid fire. If you don't know, don't worry, I'm here to tell you what is it. Rapid fire, in it, uh, you have to reply like Hindi sentences, you have to transform in English in quick way, in fast way. Okay. Let's suppose you have any friend, any partner to do speaking practice. So you can ask Hindi sentences, and your partner will translate those sentences in English. Yeah, your friend can ask to you, and you can transform all the sentences Hindi to English. Yeah, if you don't have any partner, so how you can do it alone? Everything I will tell you in this video. My dear friend, where you can get this rapid fire video? So you will get on YouTube. Yes, you will get on YouTube. There are lot of videos of rapid fire, tenses related rapid fire, conditional related rapid fire, passive related, all grammar related rapid fire you can find on YouTube. Yeah. And whatever your लेवल एज, अगर आपका लेवल बिगनर हो, इंटरमीडिएट हो, जो भी हो, आप वाट एवर यू आर लर्निंग, आप टेंसेज लर्न कर रहे हैं, आप कंडीशनल लर्न कर रहे हैं, आपको हर तरह का रैपिड फायर यूट्यूब पे मिलेगा. आपको क्या करना है? जस्ट यू हैव टू गो एंड सर्च दैट वीडियो एंड क्लिक एंड डू प्रैक्टिस विद दैट वीडियो. आपको जो है वीडियो को क्लिक करना है. यू हैव टू लिसन केयरफुली, आपको ध्यान से सुनना है, एंड यू हैव टू आंसर ऑल ऑफ दोज क्वेश्चंस एंड फिगर आउट whether you are able to answer all of them or not. So that's how you will be able to find you whether you will have to need to work or not. आप जैसे कि लेट्स सपोज आप जो है टेंसेस सीख रहे हैं, आप टेंसेस सीख रहे हैं. As I have told that grammar is very important, and you have started learning grammar. आप टेंसेस सीख रहे हैं. ओके. एंड यू लर्न टेंसेज, आपने टेंसेस लर्न कर लिया, सीख लिया. आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो कि आप बना दोगे. But my dear friend, knowing the theoretically and doing the practically, both are different. And when it comes to use those knowledge, those grammar in spoken, we get stuck. जब भी हम, ऐसा तो लगता है कि हम टेंसेस सीख गए हैं, अब तो हम कर लेंगे. बट कमिंग टू द यूज इन स्पीकिंग इन प्रैक्टिकल वे, वी गेट स्टक. हम जो है फंस जाते हैं, स्टक हो जाते हैं. तो ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि हम टेंसेस लर्न किए हैं, कंडीशनल लर्न किए हैं, पैसिव लर्न किए हैं, तो कैसे उसको स्पोकन में यूज करें. एंड हाउ यू कैन लर्न this thing to use in your speaking by doing practice रैपिड फायर। अगर आप रैपिड फायर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो आप जो है आपको एक आइडिया मिलेगा, आपका कंसेप्ट क्लियर होगा, आपका जो डाउट और कन्फ्यूजन होगा टेंसेस में जो भी कुछ होगा वो क्लियर होगा इफ़ यू डू रैपिड फायर each and every day. So my dear friend, if you are a beginner level, so you should go first with tenses. You should go with tenses related rapid fire, very basic level rapid fire. You should do practice with those rapid fire and try to clear those concept, those grammar, so that you will be able to clear all your doubt and confusion, as well as you will learn and get the ideas how you can use in your speaking. And if you are intermediate level, so you can go with conditional, you can go with passive, you can go with causative rapid fire. And if you do practice each and every day with that rapid fire, so my dear friend, your sentences transformation will improve. आप जो ट्रांसलेशन आप जब भी किसी से बात करते हैं, इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, सो व्हाट हैपन, you take a lot of time to translate those sentences. So if you do the rapid fire, that timing will decrease and that transformation method will improve, and you will be translate the sentences in quick and फास्ट वे। आप जो बहुत सारे लर्नर का ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये बोलते हैं कि जो मैं हिंदी बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, ट्रांसलेट करके चीज़ें बोलता हूँ, उसमें टाइम लगता है। सो हाउ यू कैन डू इट क्विकली if you are talking with someone. So if you do rapid fire practice, so you will be able to improve that transformation, sentences transformation Hindi to English in fast way, my dear friend. That's why I am recommending you to do rapid fire practice each and every day, and easily you can find it on YouTube. And there are a lot of rapid fire videos are available. Just you have to go and you know uh, choose any one video and play and consider yourself. आपको क्या करना है, खुद को कंसीडर करना है कि जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है, वॉट एवर क्वेश्चन एंड sentences will be asked in that video, consider yourself that those are being asked to you and you have to reply. So listen carefully them and try to like answer them in English, and do practice until you answer correctly all of them. That's how you will be able to practice of English and improve your English and learn spoken English. So my dear friend, I did the same thing and I love to do it. So if you find this video valuable, so please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video. Have a great day.